Has this ever happened to you when you had washer fluid and you realize that your stuff is very low? That indicates that you have low washer fluid. And I'm going to show you how to actually add more fluid to your vehicle. Here, let's just go ahead and open the stupid trunk up. Here, go, now that's the sweet stuff right here. Summer formula. Can't go wrong with that here on the way. And we got to also open this stupid hood right now. Here we go, just got to open the hood right now. There we go. There we go, here's that beautiful 1.8 liter built by Toyota. We just got to open this thing up right now. There we go. Yep. Shows that it's like right now normal levels. But we'll just add more to it though. Really easy to do. Put the thing right here. What we gotta do now is try to add more stuff to this. And here's how it goes. It looks like it's legit peeing, tell me about it. It should be good. Now, since this is a Toyota Corolla, it has this feature where you actually just see where your gauge level is through here. Let's just check it out from here. Okay, pretty good levels now. Pretty decent. Now next, just to close this goddamn hood. Fucking thing, man. Let's see how much fluid we have next. Wow, look at that. Now that's amazing. Better performance and much more clear. And guys, that's how you add more washer to fluid. Very simple, very short. And I hope you like this video. Stay tuned, guys. Happy Halloween!